Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm Fauzan Muhammad and I'm from 10 DKV class. So this is my video on senior high school, and I'll make a tutorial, an IT tutorial about prototyping on UI UX. As you can see, this is my UI UX. The name is Twinsy, and first we go to prototype mode. This is the design mode and this is the prototype mode. And then we can go to uh, the right side in here. As you can see, there is the plus button, so we just drag it to the second page. So this is the onboarding page, and this is the login page and sign up page. So in here we will setting, so the trigger is the one start who trigger the prototyping. So we choose on tap in here. You can choose after delay or on tap, but prefer on tap because this is only for example, but better you use after delay. If you choose after delay, you can set the timer, how much is like 5 seconds. If 5 seconds, it will be 5,000 milliseconds. It depends on you. And because this is the tutorial, I want to show you, so I choose on tap first, but rather you choose after delay. So for the animation, there are three types of animation: instant, dissolve, and smart animate. In here I'll choose smart animate and is out the curve. So what's the difference between instant, dissolve, and smart animate? Instant is immediately, like, there's no animation, immediately go to the second page without any animation at all. But dissolve is like disappear the first page and then go to the second page. And smart animate, yeah, as you can see, the name is animate, so there's the animation, and the animation is from the one who name it curve. So curve is the animations of the smart animate. So you can choose ease in, ease out, ease in and out, ease in back, and gentle, quick, bouncy. Yeah. So in here, I prefer to choose the ease in one only for example, and that's the first page to the second page. And next we'll go to the second page to the third page. As you can see, the trigger, of course, the sign up button. So we drag it from sign up button to the last page to the home page, and in here of course is on tap because yeah, we need to tap the sign up button to go to the next page. So on tap, and in here smart animate, and I rather to choose gentle. So gentle, so yeah, like the name gentle. So that's the second one. So prototyping, you can drag the line not only from the frame, but you can drag it from the component too, from the, like, the name of Twinsy name, or from the button, login button. But because this is basic, so I'll only tell you from the first one is frame and the second one is from the component. So that's the example, and I think let's see the result. So let's click this one, and the laggy. Okay, as you can see, this is the prototyping. Let's just full page and change the, wait, hold up. Okay, so as I said before, the first page go to the second page, we use on tap, so we need to click it. Boom, it will go to the second page with is in animation, smart animate is in animation. That's the example of is in smart animate, the animation of is in, like that. And next, For example, we fill the name, we fill the email, we fill the password, and remember me, click on, and we want to sign up. Of course, we need to click the sign up button, and this is the example of gentle animation from Smart Anime. Boom. So it looks like simple transitions, and we will go to the home page. Oh, by the way, this is the name is carousel, and we can scroll. Okay, I think I will talk about this one on UI UX tutorial. In here, I just explain the transition, the prototyping of the UI UX. Okay, maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry if there's a mistake. Of course, there's a mistake. So maybe that's all. Thank you very much for watching till the end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.